Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the 100 days precaution which has to be taken for coronavirus, especially maintaining social distancing, using all the precautions, sanitization. Since the red planet Mars and Roman god Saturn, along with demon Rahu, will be on wheel, and there will be surge in coronavirus. As I've already mentioned, I've written about 20 articles on this, and I have gone in details. I've seen every aspect, and I find that from the 12th April 2021 to 20th July 2021 will be the most enigmatic period for the virus spread, and especially after the 24th and 24th to 26th April to 18th May will also be a time frame where coronavirus will be on the peak. And there are sensitive arc in the zodiac which I have been talking about, the 6.2 degrees, 18.4 degrees, then 19 degrees stationary Saturn will be aspected by Mars, and then 20 and 22 degrees in Cancer sign. So all this put together, it is coming out most venomous, and maybe it is coronavirus, maybe it is stock and financial markets, maybe it is natural or unnatural calamities, maybe it is earthquakes, maybe it is brawl between the nations, maybe it is explosion, fire, tug of war, maybe it is elections in the 5 states, the results. All this at this juncture when the planet positions are most enigmatic, and especially the India running the dasha moon Saturn, which is forming a Vishwog till 10th of July and placed in the third house of borders, and then in the Rashi and Nakshatra Sangata Chakra there is Veda, and then as per the Pisces new moon chart, I have seen the D6 and D8 charts, and which shows that the disease may remain only after the 20th November. The disease may start abating, and it also shows the fifth house, fifth lord in D8 is afflicted by Rahu Ketu axis. Fifth house is children, and Jupiter is placed in the 12th house. So it clearly shows that the effect of coronavirus can also come on children. So beware, take precautions, and these 100 days, let's pray that these 100 days goes and we all live peacefully and maintain social distancing, and we get blessing from God so that we are able to sustain these 100 days. The time period between 14th September to 20th November is also an enigmatic one, since Jupiter will be in most afflicted condition, and what we have seen as per the past, that whenever Jupiter has been afflicted and fall back in the previous sign and met Saturn, the karka for disease and death, it has been the coronavirus has surged. So maybe we can expect a third wave also between 14th September to 20th November. Fingers crossed. But right now in the immediate future, the 100 days are most precarious, and we should take full precautions, friend, because astrology is guiding us, and we should not take it easily. And if we try to maintain social distancing and do sanitization and take precautions, I'm sure we will be able to fight with coronavirus. So that's all I just wanted to share with you, friends. Have a good day. Best of luck. God bless you, and thank you for listening to me.